How is it out there?
Good. Rough out here.
Look at Mr. Daly's shovel is bigger than yours, Mark.
Nice shovel.
I bought this 20 years ago, so you don't break it.
You've done well.
It's really coming down, isn't it? Don't anybody have a heart attack. I'm filming this. I'm putting it on YouTube.
Very nice Christmas.
Yeah. I'm checking the techniques out. Okay. Brr.
Brr.
61 over there. You gonna make a snowman, Butch? Nice quiet day here. Lucy. And this one. How you doing, Harold?
Okay.
Good. You want to go for a walk?
Wouldn't mind.
Okay.
You want to go?
Outside?
Yeah.
With the weather? I'm a little nervous. I want to film how well you're walking, though. Good. I'm just afraid it's slick out there.
Yeah, we could always do the walks down
What are you thinking?
at my best day.
What? You're doing good. Your walking's doing well. It's just I don't know. It's pretty slick out there. I almost fell coming up the avenue because I didn't pick my feet up. I tend to not pick my feet up. I just don't want you to fall. If you fall and something happens. But you're doing really well now. Butch and Mark were out there shoveling.
That's good.
It's really coming down, isn't it?
Better burp, Mark, Butch.
More?
Burp, yeah. Wait, he screws everything up. Yeah, it's amazing to tell you to meet me somewhere in Hamilton.
I know.
Tell them to beat me. Oh, amazing.
I know. I know.
Just amazing.
But he shoveled. That's good.
Yeah.
It's really coming down. Here he comes.
We used to have some equipment here. Somebody stole half of this stuff.
What?
Those shovels we had, those good shovels.
No, there's a thing. I think the shovel's in the back.
Oh, I'm all wet.
Oh my gosh! Look at you.
Loose. I don't know where the hell Anthony is. You should have put stuff on that ramp for Ed.
Oh.
I put some else there.
Now is that the stuff that burns?